Hi everyone! Good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to make money with ChatGPT and YouTube Shorts. First things first, what you want to do is to open up your browser of choice. And then, what you want to do next is to press your search bar and type in chat.openai.com. Or just simply search ChatGPT on Google. As you can see here on my screen, my account is already signed in on ChatGPT website. So, please just kindly sign into your existing account before proceeding. However, if you do not have a ChatGPT account yet, what you want to do is to just sign up or log in an existing account like Gmail, for example. Once you are here on this page, you can already start chatting with the AI. So now, what we are going to do is to ask the AI to make a script for us. For this part, I'll type in write 10 top 3 facts titles, or you can insert your own idea and ask the AI to generate it for you. Anyways, in this way, the AI will be making a list for us to select on which topic we want to continue on. So, we have selected a topic. What you want to do after that is to copy that topic, then ask the bot again to write about, paste the topic, and keep it short. Take note that we have to keep it short because YouTube Shorts must only take up a single minute. But if you want it to be way shorter, you can ask the bot to turn the text into 30 seconds of read time. And wait for it as the bot summarizes the whole text. Once you are done, and once the bot has generated the topic or the idea that you are asking for, what you want to do is to open up a new tab. Then, type in Well Said Labs. Well Said is an AI-powered text-to-speech solution that can create voiceovers for any digital content. Well Said converts text to high-quality voices, which can be added to apps and products using a robust API. It is a website that can turn text into speech again. So in here, you can see the main menu. What you want to do from here is press Try for Free. And then, you will be directed into a page where you can log in your account. And then, once you have signed in, it will once again take you to another page where you can see all of the available offers, but what you just want to do here is to select the Try for Free. After that, it will bring you to a Terms of Service page. Just press on the Agree on all of their terms, and after reading it, you may now proceed. And now, you can now use Well Said Labs. So, what you want to do is copy the 30 read text of your topic back in ChatGPT. And once you have copied it, head back to Well Said Labs. After that, what you want to do is hover your cursor on the left side of the screen to access the interface. Then press Studios. After that, Well, said labs will show you a list of all the available AI voices for you to select. Once you have selected your voice of preference, it will now direct you to the page where you can enter the text for the AI to convert into speech. So, what you want to do now is to just paste the text ChatGPT created. And then, you can now convert the whole thing into speech. Wait for it to generate, and then after everything, download your MP3, and we will now proceed to the next step, which is creating the YouTube short video. Once you are done, open up a new tab again and open Canva. And once you're in the home screen, search for YouTube Shorts. What will happen here is a selection of templates will now be available for you to use. Just scroll down or scroll up and find a template that is suitable for your topic. Okay, once you have selected a template, it will bring you to the customization page. In here, what you want to do is press Uploads right here and upload your AI speech MP3. Input your MP3 and you can now add whatever video that you like, or even graphics if you have. Once you are done editing and on finalizing, just press share right here and then save the video as an MP4 file. And that's it! You can now make money with ChatGPT and YouTube Shorts. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling!